Hello traders, I am showing you my profits so you can understand how much I have made using this strategy. You can also use same strategy and make money. Let's go to the strategy. But first we open gold pair in 30-minute time frame. I'm going to share with you best Forex trading strategy. We need ADX buy sell indicator. And we change some settings. ADX buy sell indicator signal buy side. We take buy trade signal next candle. Here is buy signal confirmation. Now we place buy trade here. We set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. ADX buy sell indicator signal sell side. We take sell trade signal next candle. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. We set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.